Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you about some of the best and most important apps for your smartphone that you should have. So first of all, we have the app called as Floating App. With the help of this app, you can use multiple apps at the same time. This app can turn apps into floating tabs that you can use them easily. Second, we have Shazam. This app can help you identify and get the name of the music or a song you would like to know. And after that, we have Taskbar. This app can make it easy for you to use multiple apps at the same time. It also gives your app list on the side of the screen, which is quite handy. And this app also provides you much more than that. And after that, we have WA Box. This is a very useful app for WhatsApp. It takes your WhatsApp to the next level. And at the end, we have Split Cloud. This app can play two music at the same time with headphones. One song will be played in the right side of the headphones while the other will be played in the left side of the headphones. And just like that, you and your friend can enjoy your personal favorite song with just one headphones.